Good morning, families and friends. You see, our subject for this morning is the land that belonged to God. So imagine receiving a beautiful home, not because you earned it, but because someone loved you enough to give it. See, that's exactly what the promised land was for Israel. But here's a twist. See, the land wasn't really theirs. Over and over, Scripture tells us the land is mine, the earth is the Lord's. So God was the true owner. So why give Israel a land that wasn't theirs? The reason why is because God was teaching them a lesson that it is still true today. Blessings are gifts, not possessions. See, we are stewards, not owners. See, when God brought Israel out of Egypt, he didn't just rescue them from something, he rescued them for something. See, Exodus chapter 3 says, he led them to a good and spacious land, a place flowing with milk and honey. See, it was a place of abundance, a place of start again, and a place where God could shape a nation that reflects his character. But this gift came with a relationship. See, God said in Deuteronomy and Leviticus, keep my commandments so you may live long in the land. See, friends, obedience wasn't about rules. It was about staying aligned with God, who gave them everything. See, if they abandoned him, the blessings would slip from their hands, not because God is harsh, but because blessings can't survive where disobedience thrives. See, and that's the heart of the story. The promised land was a partnership. See, God provided the land, Israel provided faithfulness, and today they build a testimony to the nations. So what does this mean for us? See, everything we have, our opportunities, our families, our resources, is like that promised land. You know, it all belongs to God. See, we are simply stewards, and the same truth still stands. As long as we walk with God, his blessing stays with us. See, when we turn from him, even the best gifts can be lost. See, the promised land teaches us this timeless principle. God gives, we are stewards, and when we walk in obedience, his blessings continue to flow. God bless.